everybody, it's Holly Hobbyist back with another soap making video. Today we're going to be doing Sassy Succulents. These are the embeds that I had prepared ahead of time. So the inside is going to be something a little different. It's a new technique I'm trying. It's not new to soap makers, but it's just new to me. And I believe it's called a slanted tiger swirl or tiger stripe. It's tiger stripe. So I'm going to be trying that today. Hopefully my fragrance oil will cooperate, and we're going to fast forward to the part where I like to talk about what I'm doing. So enjoy. Alright, I have all my colors mixed up, and now I'm going to show you how to do the technique for the slanted tiger stripe. So whatever mold you're going to use, you want something to prop up one side of it. In this case, I'm using like a cell phone holder that I got from IKEA. It's great for when I look at my recipes on my phone, but apparently it also makes a good slanter. So basically your concept that we're trying to get is the stripe. So we're going to pour down one side of the mold. I think I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it. I was a little confused about exactly how to get started. So you want to tilt it towards you, and you're going to pour just down along the side of the mold, is what I'm trying to say. Just down the side, 1, 2, maybe 3 passes, depending on how big you want your stripe. I think I started out with about 3 or 4 passes initially and slowly worked my way down as I got closer to the top. It takes a little bit to kind of get used to the feeling of the pour, and you want your batter to be fluid enough to pour, but not so fluid the colors are going to run together. So I think, especially for this being my first time, I was pretty happy with how it turned out. I don't know what else I could have done that would have made it much better, but who knows. So, give yourself a little bit of slack, because when I was doing the pouring, I was like, oh, I think I just mucked it up, because if you can see by the purple how it's not exactly even. So, but it does end up working out in the end. So anyway, this is pretty much, you alternate your colors and you just keep continuing to pour this way until your mold, I'm dying. I'm running out of steam to talk.
Then maybe that's a good place to end it.
Oh my goodness. So anyway, you just keep pouring your colors. You alternate. I did the same pattern each time. You can do different, like if you want to do but just 2 colors or 5 colors, whatever you want to do. This technique will work for. Hi, Vay. So, okay, just enjoy watching the pour.